Good morning, Lithuania. Good morning, everyone. 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's beautiful out there. Just look at this. The most convenient place that we are super short walking distance to the actual competition. So this hotel being right there is super convenient, guys. But if you come to visit this, you need to book this hotel. The first cup of coffee of the morning. Morning's starting pretty good. Had a breakfast just now. So I'm going to pack up a couple of bits and pieces and we're going to head down. We've got a 10 AM meat inspection for tomorrow and basically cook preps for today's competition, which is a freestyle competition today. Chef Choice and the mystery box. So Chef Choice do know what I'm cooking. Mystery box, obviously I don't. So let's see what that's going to bring us. I'll see you in a bit. Walking down now. I'm going to show you new t-shirts that we got for our team. Larry G Barbecue Guy team. That's the wife. Got another one there. And the actual competition is Twin Smoke. And we've got the hats as well. That's the, I'm not sure if you can see. That's the actual hat. So our smoking area ready. Just had it opened up, getting ready. So it's honestly allows in the morning, 8 AM. So Saturday, no one's here yet. So let's have a little look around. We've got Phil's gang there. We've got meat smoking stories, free barbecues. Labas rytas.
Labas rytas.
No. Got another BM grill there. Smoked pig. So yeah, that's all the teams down there, guys, going to be. So I'm going to show you later on when all the teams are set up. That's another BM. Loads of puglies. Another team down here. That's going to be just the barbecue areas. No, that's a team. That's more teams actually. So that's going to be the main area for people to rest, eat food, enjoy the time. Some tents for the displays. Lovely cushions by Slowdown. Got Christopher's working there. Hello. Getting some. Let's go and have a look what he's getting ready. More grills by BM. Look at that. We can actually win one of these today. So early hours in the morning, people. I think this is Marcio Vita. Ah, the smell. I have to walk around. Look at that, live fire Brazilian way. We've got the whole beef back leg. Cool. Beautiful. Anyway, let's see you around. You can have some other activities, wakeboarding if you want. I'm not awake at the moment to do that. And that's going to be refreshments later on. We've got for another display going on. People are going to be cooking some pizzas, more drinks. It's a lot of refreshments, so people are expected to have some. We've got the main stage over there. We've got another dome. I think this one's a VIP area. That was last time. You've got a dome there, which is going to be like a little market area for people to display their items and stuff. Promo truck. It's a liquor, so obviously I'm going to show you guys more later on. This is going to be this is the guy who supplied the beef. Oh, the echo. We've got Kamada Bona displays. We've got Kamada Space tables. Oh yeah, everybody knows in my videos that I've got exactly the same table. So this is the XL version, and that's the standard version. Yeah, they're good tables. I'll still do a review for that table. And it's obviously going to be more displays and stuff like that. So if I get a chance, I'll show you around. These tables are by someone else. Can't remember the name of these, but yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it's plenty of space. It takes about 15 to 20 people. There's a dead pig. Look at him. Potatoes ready. I'm going to boil some potatoes, make something out of them. Right, so prepping for the beef Wellington. Getting some chestnuts. Come closer. Some wild mushrooms with shallots and the chestnuts. Going to go for the beef Wellington. Going to chop them up, getting ready to fry them. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Fillet. Look at that pace. A little trim up. Super nice. Very little to trim. People are setting up big ones. Polish barbecue. Big beef Wellington coming along. So let's do it. The beef Wellington's going to go on in a minute. Doing the back of the knife.
Ei, aga ma olen jumala kindel, et see oli külm aeg, kui me seal džässi juures hirmusime. Ja siis võtsime nimed värgid välja ja siis sealt läks edasi. Esimene võistlus oli Narva. Ja kui tuli välja, et teha ka lisad. Ja meie olime The beef Wellingtons are out, so still got a little bit of time to finish them. Fingers crossed. Last hour and a half has been quite stressful. So as you can see, done those beef Wellingtons. I'm just waiting for that time. My time is today actually between
3:15 to 3:20, so I've got a 5-minute window to hand the my turn in. So got some other condiments ready, so I'm going to be dressing up this plate. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll show you the finished product after I've done it before the handover. It's in a full swing at the moment. Everyone's cooking. We've got teams there cooking, plating. We've got judges tent down there, which is I'm going to be walking down there, turning the my entries in. So this is one of the organisers. We've got more teams cooking further down. As you can see, loads of smoke coming out. All the grills on. That's Phil Wingo from America. That's Edwin from Ireland with 3 barbecues. So yeah, there's a lot of familiar faces. People from Norway, basically people from all over the Europe. So yeah, fun.
Išskirtiniai. Taip pat norim padėkoti mūsų generaliniam šio renginio rėmėjai, tai Švyturys nealkoholinis alui. Toliau Popamės, Feel the Beef, Forneza ir Mėsos broliams. Ir taip pat mūsų kitiems rėmėjai.
Ainam.
Perfect, thank you.
Right, so we've got the mystery box round. So in the mystery box we've got ribeye, minced beef, cheese, mushrooms, a single potato, paprika, 2 tomatoes and 2 onions, and a piece of this Georgian bread. What I'm gonna do, I don't know. We've done some steaks, beef, some sandwiches and the Georgian bread. So yeah, this is the last one.
Team name, please.
Berniukai mergaitės, trumpai ir greitai dar skelį noriu labai paprašyti, kokį patogiai. Robertui ir Petrui, aplodismentų, duokit garsiau. Ok. Vyrukai čia toksai, mačiau, įkvėpėt. Giliai įkvėpėt, iškvėpėt, kad ateit čia. Žinau, kad anksti kėlėtės, ne? Mažau prasidėjęs. Ok. Klausykit, toks klausimas. Aš esu girdėjęs tokį posakį, kad jeigu tu nusiperki labai gerą kažkokią tai išskirtinę mėsą, kad neįmanoma jos sugadinti. Net ir joks, kaip čia tai pasakyti, kreivarankis kepėjas jos
There's Marco. Marco's
Hey man!
What's cooking?
Hey, what's cooking? Chicken is cooking. Making grilled tacos.
Good, nice.
If you're bored, you can come and work for us.
2 kartus į mėnesį Vilniaus Bono salone organizuojam kursus. Jo, darom kursus.
Let's have a little sneak peek of the Saturday's trophies. Chef choices, mystery box. First prize winners, mystery box and a chef choice. You get some skewers like that. Everyone's checking social media at the moment. Patiently waiting for the results, are we? My beautiful wife.
Jie netrukus ir atliks visus pagrindinius apdovanojimus. Mes turim 2 kategorijas ir tik tai top 3 pasimatys šiandien scenos. Yra nerealus prizas, pagrindinė vieta ir pirmoji. Atskiras aplodismentas Nerijui! Galima pakviesti taip pat also would like to invite here on the stage Mark Fishlak and Angela Fishlak here on the stage. Mark and Angela, you're more than welcome here on this very stage. We'd like to see you here. Hello, guys. Hi, pleasure to see you over here. He is welcome on the stage. Are you having a good time? Yeah, you're having a good time. Okay. Duokit jiem triukšmo visiems! Na kągi, nuo ko norėtumėm pradėti? Nuo Mystery Boxo ar nuo Chief Choice? Chief Choice'as. Tai ponas ir ponai, paprašysiu visoms top 10 vietų aplodismentų. Bet tik tai top 3 vietas kviesime čia ant scenos. Apgailestauju dėl 4, taip arti vos keliais nuošimčiais. Na ką, duodam aplodismentų 10 vietai. Smoking Fins, number 10. Duodam 9 vietai triukšmo. Pork Mafia, applause. Clean Smoke Barbecue, place number 8. Hungry Moose, place number 7. Fregata Smoker Polish Barbecue Team, 6th place. 3 Barbecue, place number 5. Ir dabar, top 4 over here. 4 vieta. Pierre Clow Barbecue Team, number 4, the 4th place. All right, let me introduce you top 3. In the 3rd position, 3 vietoje, and here on this very stage, we'd like to welcome Karma Crew! Karma Crew 3 vieta ir turime 187,6 taškų. Karma Crew, please welcome on the stage. Your place is number 3. Karma, you, I see you. Okay, antroji vieta, place number 2. Here, 2nd position goes to Polish Barbecue Mafia! Polish Barbecue Mafia, please welcome on the stage. Prašau, Karma Crew. Fotkytę Lietuvai. Pono Žilinską ar pagavote? Jie. Ką? 2 kartus dar. Kaip garsiau? Žilinskas. Matau, kad followini. Patinka, kur papukus įsimeta? Patinka. Man ir. Okay, are you ready for place number 1? So, Chief's Choice. This is the winners of the 1st place with a result of 191.2 points. And the winner is Kautek! Kviečiame Kautek komandą, šaunuoliai, duok rankelę, duok. Šaunuoliai, sveikinam tave labai. Kautek team, big round of applause. Congratulations! Kauno technologijų mokymo centras. Kautek, jums atitenka 1 vieta. Ir jūs šiais metais. Ateikit arčiau, ateikit į priekį truputėlį. Ok, susigrūskit, padarom nuotrauką iš jų. Ir dabar visi kartu. Come on, guys, all together. Come closer to one another. Karma Crew, ateikit arčiau, ateikit. Jau džiaugiuosi, kad kepat šunį savo, bet ateikit. Dar nusifotkinam. All right, everybody, let's pick up 10 from the mystery box. Antras konkursas buvo priduotas 17 valandą ir netrukus sužinosime rezultatus. We are ready to represent the final 10. Ir 10 vieta, 170 taškų. Jūsų aplodismentų prašo Karma Crew. Aplodismentai jiems. 9 vieta, place number 9, Larry G Barbecue Team. Place number 8, 8 vieta, Barbecue Symphony. Place number 7, Smoke Pioneers Barbecue Team. 6 vieta, Polish Barbecue Mafia. Place number 6. Place number 5, Bele kokie pietai. Belenkokie pietai. Taip, teisingai. Place number 5, 4 vieta, Smoking Fins. Okay, and now we are ready to represent top 3. Mes pasiruošę paskelbti top 3-tuką. Trečioji vieta, place number 3, Beer Club Barbecue Team! Please welcome on the stage. Congratulations! O dabar dar kartelį ant scenos noriu pakviesti antrosios vietos nugalėtojus. Mystery Box su 179 taškais, 8 antroji vieta. Kautek! Kautekas, kviečiam jūs dar sikelį atsiimti savo apdovanojimo už Mystery Box čempionato antros vietos laimėjimą. Aplodismentai, bravo, sveikinimai. Duokit Kautekų triukšmą. Come on, Hebra, šaunuolis, duok rankynę. Opa, šaunuolis. Let's go, man patinka matyti jūsų šypsenas. Sveiki dar sikelį ant scenos, sveiki, ateikit. Bravo. Ok, apdovanojimai, bučiniai, apkabinimai, aukšti penketai, viskas vietoj. Na ką, are you ready to know the number 1 team for the Mystery Box? Ar jūs pasiruošę išgirsti pirmą komandą? Ok. And the winner with the result of the first place. Laimėtojai su pirmos vietos medaliais. Rezultatas 184 taškai. And the winner is Fregata Smoker Polish Barbecue Team! Fregata, please welcome on the stage. You are the winners of the Mystery Box. Congratulations, guys. All right, bravo. This is your prize. Come on, the first number 1 Polish team. Come here in the front. Come here, guys. Fregata, come here, guys. All the guys from Fregata. Dzień dobry, Fregata, come here, guys. Chodźcie tutaj.
We're just having a little after party at the moment.
Mažas nepirkit dar filmą. Sakė, neturi, alaus nėra.
So the after party is basically to drown our sorrows.
Tau nėra alaus.
So in the Chef Drawers, I've got 14th place, which is not the last one, at least. 2 places from last. And Mystery Box, I've got 9th, which is okay, it's not too bad. But as we've seen, some teams well deserved, especially the Kautek. Congratulations to them. Well done, everyone down there. I have seen they dish. Super awesome. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish today's episode like that. Just gonna enjoy Jack and Coke. Well, actually Coke now, because I still have to prep a lot of meats for tomorrow, which is the main one, KCBS. A invitational to Jack Daniels as well, so let's hope to win that one. But yeah, for today, I'm out. I'm going to start rolling another video for KCBS 1, so, and I have to be up and early, bright and early. See you later.